So how do you access the Galaxy Store on your Android device? So let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe so we can get started. So as you can see, I have a few ways of how I can download the apps. So most people just go to the Google Play Store and then download the apps right there, which is completely fine. But we also have some alternative ways, like I have the store icon, which is the Galaxy Store. So I can get inside like this. This is the Galaxy Store, and I can download some games or some apps or whatever I want. The point is that this is the Samsung Galaxy Store, and it's only going to work on Samsung devices. So if you have an Android device from a different brand, it's very likely not going to be available. On all Samsung phones, it is going to be there. Like I have another Samsung device as such, and I can essentially get inside and see the same Galaxy Store being available, right? So it's usually fine on those devices, but it simply doesn't work on other platforms. You can still just access the internet and check out the Galaxy Store, right? Like you can see the web version of that, which doesn't let you download any apps or anything like that, but at least you can browse what it is. This can be accessed from anywhere, even from iPhones, right? But the point is that we cannot really download anything because it's just the a web version of what is available in there. So that's how it works. It's tied to one platform, and that's the Samsung phones. So I hope that I was able to explain it. If you have some more questions and thoughts about it, leave them below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos about it, but for now that's it, and I'll see you later.